Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW bug body from pan updated. Start by assessing rust and paint, then choose a safe workspace, proper PPE, and a stable jack or lift. Remove trim and glass carefully to prevent damage. Drain fluids and label fasteners to stay organized. Use penetrating oil on seized bolts and pry gently along seams to avoid bending panels. Work slowly and document each. Get the right tools ready and set up a tidy workspace before lifting the body. Protect wiring and disconnect the battery to avoid shorts. Use a breaker bar or impact for frozen bolts and apply penetrating oil overnight if needed. Support the pan securely and verify jack stands or lift ratings. Take photos of wiring and linkages so reassembly is straightforward and you can track each fastener location. Begin by labeling and disconnecting linkages, cables, and fuel lines, capping any open ports. Remove interior trim that interferes with mounting bolts and back out mount hardware gradually and evenly. Use a hoist or at least 2 helpers to lift the body straight up, watching for hidden wires and brake lines that may bind. Move the body to a safe stand and inspect the pan and mounts for repair or replacement needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.